we are going to tell you a topic: Eat Fast, Waste Hard, Eating Out Culture and Single-Use Waste, corresponding to SDGs 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. In our introduction, have you ever thought about how much trash we create in just one day? These are the real clips we filmed ourselves. One ordinary day, 4 different people, all eating out. Eating out has become a huge part of modern life. With the rise of food delivery platforms, we can get almost anything we want just by tapping on the phone. But behind this convenience comes another problem: disposable packaging that creates massive pollution. According to a 2024 survey by the Institute for Information Industry, over 71% in Taiwan use food delivery service. This shows how deeply food delivery has become part of our daily lives. This issue isn't just about Taiwan. It is a global challenge. As university students, we hope to do our part by balancing convenience and sustainability in our lives and reminding everyone that responsible consumption starts from the small daily choice.
According to statistics, people around the world generate about 400 million tons of plastic waste every year. That's roughly the same volume as the 176,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. But why is there so much plastic waste? Let's look at it from two angles. First, from the consumer side, most people prefer convenience, and plastic perfectly fits that need. Also, because of something called the diffusion of responsibility, people often think it won't make a difference if I don't go green, or someone else will do it anyway. Because of that, plastic use keeps increasing instead of going down. Next, from the producer side, manufacturers often choose plastic because it helps cut package costs and makes products more durable. On top of that, to stand out from competitors, brands tend to use bright, attractive designs, and plastic works perfectly from that since it is easy to print on, color, and shape. In conclusion, both consumers and producers keep using and creating more plastic waste for the sake of convenience, but when it comes to taking responsibility, no one really owns up to it.
First, let's look at some real-life examples of plastic reduction and get inspiration for possible solutions. The first case is food delivery. When everyone stays at home and orders takeout, the amount of plastic and paper containers increases dramatically. A platform called Lupic provides an innovative solution. They collaborate with restaurants, delivery services, and even corporate cafeterias to offer reusable container rental, collection, and professional cleaning services. Each container can be reused hundreds of times, and on their website, you can actually see how much waste they have helped reduce. This approach directly targets the pain points of food delivery, seamlessly integrating environmental action into the existing service experience. Now, let's shift our focus back to the food itself. The Green Dining Guide, GDG, is a non-governmental initiative that defines what sustainable dining really means. Participating restaurants commit to using local and seasonal ingredients, reducing additives, and minimizing waste. Today, more than 400 restaurants have joined this movement, and hundreds have received official certification. On their website, you can find an interactive green map that helps you choose a restaurant based on your diet, location, and transportation. At the international level, the Michelin Green Star recognizes restaurants with outstanding sustainability practices. These include using ingredients from their own gardens, composting food waste, managing inventory precisely, and conserving energy and water. All these examples shows that sustainability is not only about waste management, it's also a brand value and a source of competitive advantage. Across Taiwan, hundreds of restaurants have already earned the Green Dining certification. Through these efforts, we can make eco-friendly, both delicious and refined. When fine dining joins the movement, it raises public awareness of sustainable dining and sets a top-down example for the rest of society. However, we also realize that plastic reduction must involve both producers and consumers working together to find effective solutions.
Nowadays, food delivery is super convenient, but it also creates a lot of single-use waste like plastic bags, boxes, straws, and cups. This cause serious harm to our environment. To solve this, we can start with ourselves. Bring your own reusable utensils, lunch boxes, or cups, and choose no calorie needed on delivery apps. Business can use recyclable or biodegradable package or set up curb return system to reduce waste. And the government can help by making eco-friendly policies and promoting environmental education. In short, convenience shouldn't come at the cost of our planet. If everyone changes a little, we can make a big difference. Finally, we can follow 5 steps to a plastic-free life. Understand plastic are harm. Record your use. Find alternative. Use eco-friendly products and share your experience. Together, we can make food delivery greener and protect our earth. Here is my own introduction and my thought. Thank you, guys.